All right, we're out here with the 2007 Toyota Camry. So I got it in this morning, went about 20 feet down the road, and all of a sudden I heard this horrible noise. Got out, and here we go. Take a look. The serpentine belt decided to, shred itself. This thing is pretty old. I'm sure it's the original one on the car. Over 100,000 miles. So, you know, they say to check them around 60,000, then change them around 90. It's something pretty simple you can do on yourself. It's not too bad. So hopefully this video will help you. So first and foremost, you can go to O'Reilly's AutoZone, get yourself a new one. I have the new one installed already, but the first thing is you need to locate the tensioner. There's just a little hex bolt. Let's see if we can show you. My shadow's in the way there. It is just right. Let's see if we can show you. It's essentially just down here, pretty close. I don't know if that you can see that or not, but it's right there. I'll point it out on a diagram. So just point that. It's a 19mm socket. So once you locate that next, you do have to take the tire off on the right because it does make it a whole lot easier. So once you get over here, the little shroud over here, there's two 10mm bolts, one right there and one right there. Pretty simple, okay? And I have access to this pulley underneath right here, which makes it a lot easier, unfortunately. So you end up routing it right there, and you can access the other one underneath there, and also you can access that one, this one right here as well, so you can kind of see everything. Helps you line up everything, makes it putting on a lot easier. So that's not too bad. I mean, it takes half hour to an hour or so. So once you got it up and running again, make sure, start the car up, make sure it all looks good and it's running good and it's all lined up properly. Once again, make sure the grooves just go in and that you're good to go. And so it's pretty simple. Something you can do on your own. You don't have to take over to the shop and spend hundreds of dollars. Just do it an hour or so and you are good to go. So once again, it's the 2007 Toyota Camry. This is how to replace the serpentine belt. So thanks.